Morning everyone, this is Marvin Gill from StockMarketPlan.com. Welcome. It is 9:59 Wednesday morning, the 2nd of March, and a lot of you have been looking at the website. I appreciate that. I really do. I think it's ultimately for the benefit of all of us, not just me. I'm looking here right now at gold. This has been one of the hottest investments of late. A lot of you have been looking at that footage there on gold, and I first started coverage and looking at gold here on YouTube and my blog on February 3rd. On that day, we had this data right here. Basically, that's as far as we had gone. Okay, so there's the 3rd of February, and you know, I mentioned that gold was down for the year at that juncture. Okay, and a lot of the bears on gold are saying, "Oh, gold is done, gold is finished." And in this forecast, you can look at it. It's in my channel, my YouTube channel, or in the on the website under Commodities Watch. So what happened here is on that day I looked back and I said I drew this trend line right here, right along these bottoms. Okay, and I also pointed out how I had converged with this 200-day moving average right here. Okay, that's the purple line right there, 200-day moving average, and that's meaningful. I pointed that out. Okay, anytime you have convergence like that of trend lines and averages, I've always seen that as a positive, a strong positive. And I also drew a trend line from this low to this low. Again, none of this was out yet. Okay, so although gold was down, okay, I pointed out that, you know, it was still part of a long-term bull market. Okay, and when looking at this, I said let's draw this trend line. I extended it to the right as such. Okay, and then I started to look for resistance. Where was gold going to meet resistance? Well, the first thing I pointed out in the video was this 20-day moving average. That was the first point of resistance right there, and I mentioned that he had closed above it, just like this. And the next one would be the 50-day. On the later cast, I said, you know, this thing's banging its head here on the 50-day moving average like this, and the longer that it remained underneath that level, that it would be bearish for the metal, at least in the near term. Again, we're still supported here, okay? And the very next day, I believe that video was on the 14th of February. I can't remember exactly, but it's either this, the 11th or the 14th, which is a Monday. The very next day, the gold goes right through it and never looks back. So, technical analysis, what you're looking at here, a lot of times it doesn't work. You know, you can do all this stuff that I did, you know, back in February, and the market takes a tone of its own, and it does just wants to do whatever it wants. But in this case, it worked out exactly, almost to the T, of this trend line drawn here, just with this data. We just had this data here, and then I looked at further resistance. Where was the metal going to meet resistance? So I discussed the 20-day, and later forecast I discussed the 50-day, and I think the next level was right here on this old high, crushed right through that, and then this yearly high right here. Okay, we crushed right through that yesterday. Okay, and the all-time high, I believe it's right here, until yesterday and today. Gold right now, okay, alert, alert, alert. Gold right now has no resistance above it whatsoever. Okay, it's all-time highs. This is what, if you're long gold, if you own gold as an investment, this is what you want to see. Okay, right now it's who knows where it stops now. Okay, so you know, I just wanted to come in here and just share that with you. I think for now, gold very bullish, new highs, volume is decent. Okay, this is a daily session, so we have, you know, pretty decent volume coming in on this metal. So again, very bullish on gold right now. If you have it, you know, good on you. We've been covering it from back here. Been bullish from February 3rd. And well, I've been bullish before that, but you know, started covering it here at the stockmarketplan.com on February 3rd. So anyhow, just wanted to get on the tube and just update you on gold. Bull, bull, bull on the near term. It's plugging right along. Support levels, near-term support. Again, this trend line right here would be near-term support. This one right here, this that we drew way back on February 3rd. And then you have this right here. Okay? And then you have your 20-day and your 50-day average. Oh, and by the way, this right here, let me show you that, zoom in. You see how the 20-day is crossing the 50-day? This often is thought to be a bullish trend. Okay, I believe they call it the golden cross. I don't know, we got all these different terms in technical analysis, but anyhow, I think that's called the golden cross, is when you have the average cross over a longer term average like this, and you know, usually it means higher levels of price. Again, is it foolproof? No. These are just little things. I point out little things, and the whole time I'm doing this. You know, what is buying or my selling? It's never all or none. One decision, a buy and sell decision shouldn't hinge on just one indicator. Okay, it's a plethora, like Three Amigos. Anyways, a plethora of indicators coming together and converging and seeing how the particular instrument that you're trading, how it is affected by that. Gold, no top side. I think we see higher levels of price before we see lower. And again, if we see lower, we have breaks. Again, right here, look at the screen. Right there, we have breaks. Right here, we have breaks. Right here, meaning like break, like, you know, if it starts to come down, we're gonna find breaking here, and it's gonna be defended at this level. The price is gonna be defended at this level, and the price is gonna be defended at this level. And then, if that's not good enough, the price will be defended again here with the 200-day moving average. So again, bullish on gold, been since February 3rd. Nothing's changed, and it's still plugging right along. Just wanted to, you know, share that with you. I mean, from that February 3rd close, way over here, we're up. Gold is up, I don't know, probably like 6%. And it beats your local bank CD by a little bit. Alright, anyhow, just want to chime in and share that with you. I'll check you out. Make sure you check us out. StockMarketPlan.com, the Stock Market Watch. Every day I've been trying to get those out to you on a timely, at least before the next day open, so you have something to see what I'm looking at and what I'm doing. Again, guys, study this stuff. I'm just putting this stuff out there for you just to engage you into a realm that very few people in the investment world engage, including professionals. Okay, so I mean, it's technical analysis galore here, and I just wanted to share that with you, and I'm going to keep sharing with you. Make sure you check out the good, the bad, and the ugly on the website, stockmarketplan.com. It's under the Experienced Investor tab, and it was just my thoughts on insider trading and such. Anyhow, guys, this is Marvin Gill from StockMarketPlan.com. I appreciate you looking at my videos, and those of you who have commented, and those of you who have not. It doesn't matter. If in the future you have a comment that you want to put up there, go ahead. Question, inquiry, something that I might not know. Either way, just let's engage. Let's learn together. Okay, guys, take it easy.